Today, we're exploring a fully interactive barbershop dashboard designed to give you clear and powerful insights into your business performance. Let's take a quick overview of the dashboard. At the top, display all key metrics for quick insights. Next, key visuals, customer count by type, monthly revenue and profit, branch profit, daily revenue trend, revenue by city, transaction year and month, count by employee service, year revenue and profit. Click the refresh button to update the data instantly. Click the display button to switch to edit mode, and click it again to return to full screen mode. Now, let's dive into building this dashboard from scratch. First, select the data range. Click on the Design tab and choose any table style. Next, rename the worksheet to Data. Then give me tab color. For a cleaner view, remove grid lines by going to the View tab and unchecking grid lines. Now, freeze the header row. Go to View Arrow, Freeze Panes. Adjust column widths to improve readability. Arrow freeze top row. Next, we will build a pivot table to analyze the data. Go to the Insert tab. Click Pivot Table. Place it in a new worksheet. Rename the sheet to Pivot. Remove grid lines again for a cleaner look, and set the zoom level to 80% for better visibility. Next, create the first pivot table for average daily service. Drag date to rows. Drag revenue to values. Rename the table header to average daily service. Format the table, adjust font color and size, and fix column widths. Rename average of revenue. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename the header to customer count by type. Remove date, drag customer type to rows, drag transaction ID to values. Adjust column widths. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename the header to revenue by city. Remove customer type. Drag city to rows. Remove transaction ID. Drag revenue to values. Select the values area. Apply currency formatting by adding the $sign. Reduce the number of decimal places for a cleaner, more readable look. Rename the column to City of Revenue. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename to Transaction Year and Month. Remove City. Drag month to rows. Drag year to columns. Remove revenue. Drag transaction ID to values. Select the cells with $sign formatting. Press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells window. Choose Number Format. Click OK to apply the changes. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename to Daily Revenue Trend. Remove City. Drag service to rows. Keep revenue to values. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename to Profit by Branch. Remove customer type. Drag branch to rows. Remove transaction ID. Drag profit to values. Select the values area. Apply currency formatting by adding the $sign. Reduce the number of decimal places for a cleaner, more readable look. Rename the column to Profit. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename to Monthly Revenue and Profit. Remove Service. Drag month to rows. Keep revenue in the values area. Drag profit to values. Values will be automatically calculated as columns. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename to Count by Employee Service. Remove City. Drag employee service to rows. Remove revenues. Drag transaction to values. Next, copy the pivot table and paste it. Rename to Year Revenue and Profit. Remove month. Drag the year to rows area. Keep the existing columns and values unchanged. Next, click the right side, go to Pivot Table Options, and uncheck Auto Fit Column Width for all pivot tables. Next, create a table for key metrics and values. Average daily service, total customer, total revenue, total profit. Align all text to the center. Apply borders to the entire table. Format the header row with a blue color for better visibility. Convert values to average format. Click on Revenue in the Values area. Go to Value Field Settings. Select Average, then press OK. Now the values are displayed in average format. Select the Average Values area. Apply currency formatting $. Reduce the number of decimal places for a cleaner, more readable look. Type equal. Link the value from the pivot table grand total. Press Enter to apply the formula. Apply currency formatting $. Reduce the decimal places for a cleaner look. Then, link the value from the other pivot table grand total. Next, apply a color fill to the values area for better visibility and a professional look. Now with all pivot tables ready, let's move on to designing the dashboard layout. Add a new sheet and rename it to Dashboard. Move the sheet to the left and apply a tab color. Remove the grid lines for a cleaner view. Insert a rectangle shape for the background. Adjust the size to fit the dashboard area. Remove the fill color. Go to Insert Arrow Shapes and add more shapes. Click Shape Fill, then select More Gradient and choose a color style. Select Gradient Fill options to customize the design. Go to Shape Format, select Shape Effects, click Shadow Depth. Repeat the same steps for multiple sections and align everything properly. In the right section, the icons have already been selected. For the dashboard, we can copy and paste these icons and align them properly. Use similar ones from free sites for the dashboard visualization. Go to Insert Arrow text box and type Barber Shop Dashboard. Format the text box. Set No Fill Color. Set text size 60. Apply bold. Align center. Removed outline fill color. Adjust the position and spacing properly. Go to Shape Format, Shape Effects, and apply a shadow depth effect. Add more icons for the header. Now your dashboard header looks complete. Next, add the key metrics icon. Next, insert a text box. Type Average Daily Service. Set No Fill Color. Remove outline fill color. Align text to the center. Set font size 18. Apply bold. Insert another text box for the value. Link it using equals formula from the pivot table. Set font size 36. Apply bold. Then align properly for a clean layout. Repeat the same steps for total customers. Same step for total revenue. Same step for total profit. Now your key metrics section looks clean, consistent, and professional. Next, create a chart. Go to the pivot sheet. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose a pie chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove the chart title. Click the plus icon data labels, percentage. Remove fill color from the chart background. Go to Shape Effects, Bevel for a stylish look. Apply a vibrant color theme to the chart. Set percentage font size, 16. Give me text color white. Apply bold. Remove outline. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Add the title, Customer Count by Type. Next, monthly revenue and profit chart. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose a stacked column chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove grid lines. Remove fill color. Remove outline. Increase the font size and set the color to black. Click the plus icon, Data Labels. Set gap width, 60 for better spacing. Go to Shape Effects, Bevel for a stylish look. Apply a vibrant color theme to the chart. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Add the title, Monthly Revenue and Profit. Next, Branch Profit Chart. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert Arrow Recommended Charts. Choose a line chart with markers, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove fill color. Set custom angle, 0 degrees. Remove the chart title. Click the plus icon, select error bars, and vertical grid lines. Go to the Design tab and choose a style. Remove any extra color fill. Set axis color, black. Set the line color, green. Set marker points color, black. Click the plus icon, select the data label, and give the color white. Increase the line width for better visibility. Click Shape Effects, Shadow Depth. Add the title, Branch Profit. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Next, Daily Revenue Trend Chart. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose an area chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove fill color. Remove outline color. Remove grid lines. Remove the legend. Increase the font size. Set the axis color to black. Remove the chart title. Apply a suitable chart color. Click the plus icon, then select Data Labels. Set data label color to light. Increase the font size. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Add the title, Daily Revenue Trend. Next, Revenue by City Chart. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose a clustered bar chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove any unnecessary elements. Remove fill color. Remove the chart title. Remove outline. Set the axis color to black. Increase the font size for better readability. Click the plus icon. Data Labels. Set gap width, 80% for better spacing. Go to Shape Effects, Bevel, and apply black color. Increase the data label size. Apply a light color to data labels. Add the title, Revenue by City. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. If the labels are not clearly visible, change them to black color. Now your chart looks clean and professional. Next, Transaction Year and Month Chart. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose a stacked bar chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove grid lines. Remove fill color. Remove outline. Set the axis color to black. Increase the font size for better readability. Click the plus icon, Data Table. Remove the legend. Set the data table line color to black. Remove the secondary axis if visible. Set gap width 40%. Apply a suitable chart color. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Add the title, Transaction Year and Month. Next, count by employee service chart. Select the data you want to visualize. If values show dollar currency, convert to count format. Select all dollar cells. Press Ctrl+1 to open format cells. Choose General Format, then click OK. Now values display as count. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose a clustered bar chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove any unnecessary elements. Remove fill color. Remove outline. Increase the axis font size and set the color to black. Set series overlap, -20%. Set gap width, 40%. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Go to Shape Effects, Bevel, and apply black color. Click the plus icon, Data Labels. Increase the data label font size. Add the title, Count by Employee Service. Next, Year Revenue and Profit Chart. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose a clustered bar chart, then click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Hide all field buttons. Remove grid lines. Remove fill color. Set series overlap, 9%, and gap width, 120%. Remove the secondary axis if visible. Remove the outline. Give color black. Increase the font size for better readability. Drag the legend to the bottom and increase its width. Increase the legend font size. Go to Shape Effects, Bevel. Apply a suitable chart color. Click the plus icon, then select Data Labels. Set data label color to white and increase the font size. Align the chart properly on the dashboard. Add the title, Year Revenue and Profit. Next, add slicers. Go back to the pivot table. Insert, click Slicer. Select the fields, Year, Month, City. Click OK. Cut and paste the slicers into the dashboard area. Select a slicer. Apply a custom slicer style. Colors that match your chart theme. Adjust and resize the slicers properly. Same method, month and city. See the right side icons. Then cut and paste the slicers into the dashboard area and adjust them to fit neatly in that space. Right-click a slicer, select Report Connections. Link it to all relevant pivot tables. Repeat this for all slicers. Click the right side display icon, then assign a macro to the full screen. Same step, data refresh. Set zoom to 80%. When clicked, zoom icon adjusts dashboard view to full screen. Refresh icon updates all data instantly. Align everything properly and review the layout. Now finally, your barbershop dashboard is fully interactive, clean, and professional. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.